Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientrix CRM Consulting and welcome back to the another video. So in today's video, I will show you how you can add any custom domain in Zoho Workdrive. So let's get started. So here we are right now in Zoho Workdrive, and in order to add a custom domain, you first need to go to the settings. And please note that only the super admin will be able to perform this action because like this admin section won't be visible to any other normal users. So kindly note that part. And here under admin, you will see a lot of things like dashboard, team folders, member, how to create client users, all the things. Just simply come on the settings part. And here under settings part, you will see several options. So we will discover other options later, but in this video, I will just talk about how to, add any custom domain in your Zoho Workdrive. So basically you can customize a domain URL to a unique branded name. You just have to type your domain name and like how you wanted to use it with the in your Workdrive account. So for example, because my company name is Clientrix, so I'll just add it as workdrive.clientrix. Yeah, so I will just name it something like that, but you can name it accordingly whatever you want it to be. And I will just simply click on verify domain. So here it will ask you to verify your domain. So you just basically need to add this all information into your website, and then you will be able to map the domain. Like if you need any more specification, like how a step-by-step guide, there is also guide available here. Like here, if you'll see how to configure, you just simply click here and it will take you to the help document. So here it will give you a like step-by-step guide, like how you can customize your domain, like how you can verify your domain. You just have to go to your website and map the domain. Like you will see CNAME values. You just have to enter those details into your domain name provider's website and set up a CNAME record. Once you have built it, then automatically you will be able to map that into the Zoho Workdrive, and then it will be done. So like if you have any IT team who looks after your website, or like I think it's all very easy steps, you can configure it very easily. So yeah, once you have configured it, then you will able to add any URL like according what you like into your you will be able to add it into your Workdrive. So yeah, that's how easily you can add any custom domains in Zoho Workdrive. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance and need more professional help about it in order to select the right software solution for your business, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link into the description. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.